In bustling environments like Christchurch, high foot traffic can create slip hazards. Whether in retail stores, offices, or warehouses, keeping your floors safe is essential to prevent accidents and injuries. That's where slip-resistant treatments come in. Slip-resistant treatments are specially designed solutions that improve traction on hard floors like tiles, vinyl, and polished concrete. They help reduce slips, especially in areas prone to moisture or spills. These treatments work by creating a microtextured surface, increasing grip without altering the floor's appearance. They're ideal for high-traffic areas where safety is a top priority. Regular floor cleaning plays a critical role in maintaining the effectiveness of these treatments. Dust, dirt, and spills can undermine the benefits of anti-slip coatings, so cleaning is key to keeping your floors safe. Routine cleaning removes contaminants, prevents buildup, and ensures that your floors look professional and safe. Professional cleaning services can help you choose the right cleaning techniques and products to maintain your slip-resistant floors. But it's not just about cleaning. Let's look at the types of slip-resistant treatments. First, anti-slip coatings can be applied directly to the floor. They create a non-slip surface that's perfect for high-traffic areas. They can be used on tiles, vinyl, and more. Textured floor tiles are another great option. These tiles come with a built-in surface that enhances traction, making them ideal for reducing slip risks. Then there are floor treatments and sealers. These add slip resistance while protecting your floors from stains and wear. Regular maintenance, including polishing, will ensure these treatments last. To maintain slip-resistant qualities, specific cleaning techniques are needed. Regular scrubbing, proper mopping, and immediate spill cleanup are essential for keeping your floors safe. Make sure spills are cleaned up right away. This quick action minimizes any risk of slips, ensuring a safer environment. Professional cleaners bring expertise to the table, using the right equipment and methods to maintain your slip-resistant floors. They'll help extend the life of your floors and ensure they stay safe for everyone. By investing in slip-resistant treatments and regular cleaning, you protect your employees and customers from slips and falls. It's a small effort that can save you from costly accidents. Need help choosing the right anti-slip flooring solutions for your commercial space? Contact us today for expert advice and professional cleaning services. Remember, clean and safe floors are essential for a professional and secure environment.